Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the course of WordPress web development. And in this course, we have seen how to build a learning management system. And in this class, I will show you how to create your first course. If I'm just going to my website, over here you could see that there are few four courses present over here. If I'm just clicking on this first course, uh, it will basically show you the content of the course. So this is the featured image of this course, and over here it will show you your progress, how much percent of the course you have completed, and how much step this course have got. And after that, we have this short description. Okay, so right from here till this point, this is basically known as a course description, and after that we have this course content over here. Okay, so if you click on this expand all, then these sections get expanded, and whatever that is there, or whatever lessons that are present inside of this section, we are able to see them. Okay, so this is the how you could structure your course. So now let me just show you how you can create your course. So just click on this learn-lms tab, what you see. Then after that, click on the courses. If I'm just opening this tab in opening this section, a new tab, then over here I could see the number of the courses which are created by me. Okay, so when it comes to the course creation, course basically has this sections, and inside of these sections we have these lessons. Okay, so this is this section have these three topics or three lessons, and this section has these two lessons over here, and this is the additional one. Okay, so now let me just tell you how to do that. So over here you will see all your courses. If you want to see the lessons and the topics, then you can refer them over here. Then we have this quizzes section, in which whatever quizzes that are created by you, you will be able to see them inside of this. Then we have this question, then the certificates. Okay, so you can also create the certificates, and whenever a person completes the course, if suppose you have attached one certificate to this course, then in order to get the certificate, person has to complete all the sections, and once the course is 100% complete, you will see that 100% course is completed over here. Only then the person can download the corresponding certificate. So you can create the certificates, those certificates from here. Then we have the notification, assignments, then all the other settings. Okay, so now let me just tell you how to create this course. So as of now, for reference, we have the social media marketing course. If I'm just showing you all the course content, how it is structured, then you will be able to see that over here. Let me just show you how it is structured. Okay, so basically all this data what is present over here, this is the dummy data, the data which came by default with this plugin. Okay, so whenever you are creating a course, on the top you will see these four tabs, which is course page, then the builder, then the settings, then the group, and you will get this option added with Elementor. Don't do anything with that. Then we have this shortcode, which is shortcode for visitor, and then again we have this shortcode for students. Okay, so whenever anyone will be coming to your website as a visitor, that means if the person is visiting your website, if that person has not enrolled to your course, then this code will be shown. Okay, so now let me just open the website in this incognito mode. Whenever you open the website in the incognito mode, that means it don't have any connection with you, or not any data has been stored or used from your browser. Okay, so now whenever any visitor will be visiting your website, this is how it will be shown to them. Okay, so it basically will show you the number of the percentage of course that is completed by you. And if I'm just clicking on this see more, okay, so it is taking time to load. Okay, so now this website got opened. So as can be seen, since I'm a visitor, I'm visiting this website for first time. It says login to enroll, and over here I'm seeing this line which says you are not enrolled in this course. Okay, so this is because whatever code or whatever thing that you write inside of this shortcode of the visitor, this code will be shown to the person who is visiting your website for the first time. Okay, and this shortcode is basically shown, whatever that is there inside of this student shortcode, this will be shown to the student who is visiting the website after enrolling. Okay, so now I have enrolled to this course, and because of which I'm seeing this line which says you are enrolled in this course. Okay, so now inside of this it says you are enrolled in this course. Okay, and this is the code which is written in order to make this in green in color and italic format. Okay, so this is basically the concept of the HTML. If you know the HTML and CSS, then you can write this code very easily. Okay, so this code is basically starts from here to here, and this is not required, this is not mandatory. If you want, you can put this. If you don't want, you might not put, you can skip this. Okay, and after that we have this course description, and this is the course description. Okay, so this is all what you will see up to this point, and next we have this course content section, and you can put that course content section from here. Okay, so click on this builder. Okay, so when it comes to the structuring of the course, first of all we have these sections. If I'm just scrolling down, and you basically have to say new section heading, and I will say second section over here. And when it comes to section after creating a section, you have to say add section heading. Okay, so whenever you create a section, the section will go to the top. You can just move them, just drag and drop down below. And now I want that section over here, and each section basically has a new lesson. I will click on this new lesson, and I will say lesson number 1, and I will say add lesson. This is the first lesson under this section, and if I'm just expanding this lesson, then inside of the lesson I can add the topics. Okay, so I will say topic number 1, then I will say add, then I will say topic number 2, and whenever you make any changes over here, you just have to say update, and now course has been updated. So as of now, as can be seen, there is nothing over here. If I'm just refreshing this, then I'm having the second section. Okay, so this is the second section, and this is the title what we have put over here. This is the title. Whatever that you put over here, it will be shown in this format. Then I have this lesson number 1, and if I'm just expanding this, then I'm having the topic number 1 and topic number 2. Now let me just tell you how to add the content to this topic number 1 and the topic number 2. Okay, so if suppose you want to add the content to this topic number 1, then just click on this edit. Let me just open this in a new tab. Then over here you can add whatever content that you want. Okay, so if you want some additional help and all, then what you can do is you can just click on this plus button over here, and you can put whatever that you want. Okay, so you can just search for anything over here. You can say browse all, and you can browse all the categories that are present over here. So if I'm just scrolling down, these are some of the LearnDash's short codes. You can just drag and drop them over here. If you want, you can just search for whatever that you want. If you want to insert an image, then you can insert an image over here. Okay, and now I will be able to insert image over here. You can just add the image from the media library, or you can upload it. If you are having the image on your system, then you can select that file and upload it over here, or you can just select the image that is already present on your website. Okay, so now let me just add this image. I will say select. Okay, so now I have added this first image. Now suppose I want to add something else. If suppose now I want to add text over here, whatever that is. If you want to add the heading, you can add the heading. Then I will say this is my first lesson. And again you can just add something, and you can add a paragraph. And now you can write paragraph. Okay, so this is my first para. Then you can do one thing, you can just turn this into the bold or italic, or you can even attach the link. Okay, so whenever a user will come over here and user will click on this text, you can just attach the link. Let me just attach a video link over here. I must be probably having this links over here. Okay, so let me just give the link of this YouTube. I will give that link over here, and I will say open this link in a new tab, or I can, let me just open this in a new tab. Okay, so whenever user will come and click on this link over here, that person will be taken to that YouTube video. And now if suppose you want to add a YouTube video and all, then you can do that as well. Just scroll down and click on this edit over here, and say YouTube, and this is that tab. And over here also you can provide the link of the YouTube video. I will copy paste that YouTube link over here, and I will say embed. Okay, so whenever you embed something, that video will be getting embedded on that particular page. Okay, so now this video of mine is available on this particular page. So this is how you can make the changes. Then again, if you want to add a caption to this, then I can do that also. I will say this is my YouTube video. Okay, so this is the caption for this particular video what is present over here. So whatever content that you want to add, you can add it over here from this plus icon. If you don't see this over here, then you will definitely find it over here. Okay, so now once this has been done, you can click on update. And now let me just go to my website and refresh this page. Okay, so now I am on my website. I will click over here, and if suppose now I want to access the content of this topic one, I will click on this. Okay, so now whatever the content that was added by me is present over here. First of all, I've added this image, then I've added this. This is my heading, then this is my paragraph, then I've embedded this YouTube video. So once a student has referred the content of this particular lesson, then person could say mark completed. And once the person clicks on this, that particular topic gets marked, and then person can just move to the next topic. And as you go on completing these sections, it will just highlight this thing. Okay, so the percentage of the content that is referred and accessed by you. So just make sure one thing, that all you are just informing your students to mark all these sections and the topics. Okay, so as long as you're not marking the sections and topics as a completed, this percentage will not go ahead, and you will only able to download your certificate once this course is 100% complete. Okay, so it basically depends on the number of the sections and the lessons present inside of your course. So now what I'll do is I'll just come back over here and come back to my course. As of now, you know how to add the lessons and the topics. If suppose now you want to add the quiz, then you can do one thing, then click on this new quiz, and you can say my first quiz, and just click on edit, or you can just do one thing, open the new tab, and over here you can edit them. Okay, so now this is my quiz page. Over here this is almost similar to the adding the lessons and the topics. So over again you can just click on this bar over here, and you can search for whatever elements that you want, and you can put the content for your quiz. And yeah, over here there are a lot many options present. you can make use of anything and everything present over here. Okay, so you basically get this many number of the options which you can add and complete your quiz. Okay, so once you're done, whenever you add a lessons or quizzes, anything that is, just don't forget to click on update. As long as you're not clicking on the update, your data don't get saved. Okay, so this is how you can make your first quiz and everything. Once your data has been done, once you are done adding everything, just again click on update. Let me just close all the other tabs over here. Then go to settings over here, and now this is the course material. Okay, so if you want to add some resources to your course, then you can just enable this, and over here you can add the course material. Now let me just show you what is that course material. And basically this course material is whatever uh, course content that you want to provide to your users. If suppose I am building a website and if I want to provide some resources related to the web development, then I can do that. So that course material could be found, basically that option was present over here. Let me just go to my website on the admin section. Course material, course material. Okay, now let me just enable that course material. Okay, so that option is not shown over here because these courses don't have any course material. So currently I'm modifying this particular lesson, this particular course. So what I'll do is I will provide some course material for this course. So let me just do one thing. I will say add media, and I will add one image. Okay, so this is just for education purpose I'm showing this, and I will say update. Let me just come over here and refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm getting this option which says material. Just click on this, and whatever course material that is provided by you, it will be available over here. You can even provide the downloadable files and all. Okay, so if you want to provide the links and all, then you can do that. Just click on this insert editable link, and you can provide the link of Google Drive or link of this Mega Cloud and all, just to share your files. And you can also provide some additional information if you want, and from this place you can select the certificate, course certificate, and this course certificate will be given to that particular person only after course has been completed. I will show you how to create the certificate after a while. And now this course content. Okay, so course content is basically this content. Okay, so whatever course content is present over here, from this option you can select whether this content should be available to anyone, or this content to be visible only after the person is enrolled. Okay, so if I'm just selecting on this option only visible to the enrolled, that means this content will be not visible to the visitor. This content will only be visible to the person who has enrolled in your course. Okay, so from this two options you can change, from these two radio buttons you can change that option. And next is a custom pagination. If you just turn it on, then it will it says lessons are basically 20 per pages and topics are 20 per page. Okay, so if I'm just coming over here, then this particular course has 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these are 4 lessons, and topics it has is 3 5, then 6 7. Okay, so it has 7 topics. Okay, and this is the entirely, this is a one page. So you can just select a number of the lessons and the topics that you want per particular page. Okay, so if this particular one page is having the number of the lessons and the topics more than 20, then it will take the person to the next page. Okay, so you can change those options from this particular custom pagination. As of now, let me just turn it off. And next is custom lesson ordering. So you can just select this option, which is menu ordering title or the date. So this is basically the sorting process. Just click on the menu ordering, and the order direction you can just select the ascending and the descending, but as of now let it be ascending only. And next is a course access setting. Okay, so if you clicking on this free, that means anyone can come to your website and access the course, and for free. Okay, so it says whenever you are clicking on this radio button, this says this course is protected, registration and enrollments are required. Okay, so you can, this course is only available to the people only after that person registers for it. And when you keep the courses open, the course is not protected. That means anyone can access the content of your lesson without even having to enroll. Okay, so user might not have to enter their email ID and the password and other required information in order to access the content of the course. And if you're clicking on this buy now, then person basically has to buy the particular course for some course price, and you can add that price over here. And if you are saying the recurring, the course is protected by the learn dash built in PayPal or Stripe. Users need to purchase the course. And recurring fees in order to gain the access. Recurring fees in the sense, again and again person has to buy the course by paying the price. Okay, so this is basically like staying in a room and paying the monthly prices or the monthly payment in order to stay in that particular room. This is something like that. So if I am saying the course price is 100, and bill cycle is basically the number of the times you want to set the cycle. Like after if I'm just selecting the 4, then after 4 days you have to pay 100 rupees. Or you can do one thing, you can say yearly, and then the person has to pay 1000 rupees every after 1 year. Okay, so this is the option of this recurring. And when you say close, so close is basically a little bit tedious. Over here you have to add the course price, and you have to basically over here you have to give the link of the card flows, which I will tell you all after some time how to do that. But if you want to give your courses for free, as of now, if I'm just going to my website over here, it says you are enrolled over here, and this is also enrolled, and this is the preview course, which I'll show you how to do that. But if I'm going to in the incognito mode, okay, so over here it says this is the free course, this is a free course. And just ignore this course as of now. I will show you how to do all these changes, how to show this preview and all. So now what you can do is, okay, so I was on this ribbon options. Okay, so this fourth option, what you see, this is little bit tedious, which I'll show you after some time. Then this is a course prerequisites. When it comes to the course prerequisites, in order to complete some course, if there is a need for you to learn some other courses, like if suppose if you want to learn the advanced web development and the basics of web development is required. Okay, so this comes under the course prerequisites. And uh, first is has the compare mode, which is any selected. The user must complete any one of the selected course in order to order access to this course. Or you can say all the selected. That means if suppose there are some restrictions, like if a person has to complete the front end web development course, then person has to know the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. Okay, so in that case you have to say all the selected. That means person has to complete HTML, then the CSS, then the JavaScript. And if you say any, that means a person can have might be having knowledge about any of the topic. So this is something like that. And from this option you can select the courses. Okay, so if I want to give the prerequisites like the first course. Okay, so in order to learn the social media marketing course, if the students has to have the knowledge of this first course, then I can tag that course over here. I can add the multiple courses as well. Okay, so this is really simple topic. Okay, so if I'm just saying select all, that means student has to student must have must and strictly have the knowledge about both these courses. And if I'm just saying any, that means student can have knowledge about this topic or this topic. Okay, so this is really very simple. And next is course points. Okay, so if you want to give the points to the students after they have completed course, that means if suppose if a student is accessing this course, okay, student is learning this course, okay, so in order to get the award for this particular course, then what you can do is you can just select the number of the points. Okay, so after completing this many points, then student can get a reward. Okay, so award on completing suppose if student completes the 40 point, then you can give them the reward. Then you can say per student should at least get the 20 points in order to get the reward, something like that. And course access expiration. Okay, so you can just say student gets access to student gets this much amount of time to access this course. You can just say student or whoever, if suppose particular student is enrolling to this course, then you can say that person should complete this particular course in only 30 days. And you can just give this date delete. Okay, so after 30 days that particular person will be automatically thrown out of this course. Okay, so all the user course data will be deleted upon the access expiration. Okay, so if that particular student is not completing this course within 30 days, then that particular student will be unenrolled from this course. Okay, so you can just give those particular, or you can apply those restrictions from these options. Next is course progression. Okay, so whenever I'm coming going to my course, if I'm coming to this course, I can access this course the way I want. Okay, so I can access this I can basically access this first topic. Then all of a sudden I can access this first lesson of the second section. I can access this two topics of this second topic over here. Okay, so this is what is known as the free form. Okay, so if I'm just selecting just a linear progress, that means in order to access this second topic, I have to go through all these three topics. Okay, so without completing this and this, I cannot move forward. Okay, so this basically comes under this linear. That means without completing this previous lessons, you cannot move to the next lesson. And if I'm just saying free form, that means without even having to complete these two lessons, I can just or without even having to learn all this first and the second topic, I can directly jump to the third topic. So you can change those options from these radio buttons. And whoever has enrolled in your course, you will get those get that information from these two places. Okay, so you basically get the you can do one thing. You can assign any course user to your course. You will get the list over here. You can just click on this and move them over here. So whenever you add the users from this side to the left hand side, that person is basically added to this particular course. Okay, so you can do that from here. And next is group. So basically when it comes to the group, you can do one thing. You can create a group, and inside of that group you can add the users, and you can add the group leader. Okay, so if you're having the users, it's like assigning the class monitor to particular class. So we are basically not making use of this option as of now, because we are not having any user in our website, so we cannot just make use of this option. Okay, so if you want to know how to do that, you can just go and check out on the website of the LearnDash. So this is all for this lesson, guys. Thanks for watching. This is really very lengthy lesson. Is almost about half an hour. So most of the time we basically don't make use of this group, and it is not required also, but for sake of their construction purpose, they have given this option. But you won't be in need of this, but still if you want, you can just go and learn from the website of the LearnDash. But this is how you can structure your course. This is how you can build a course landing page. Then you can build the structure of the course from this builder section. Then you can change the settings over here. I will be making the second part on how to change the settings in the future classes. But this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this course. Thanks a lot.